In this video, we're thrilled to guide you through the vibrant Central Business District CBD of Melbourne, Australia. Our tour will showcase a delightful mix of cultural treasures, architectural wonders, and unique experiences that this bustling urban center has to offer. You'll discover an array of dynamic cultural hubs, historic landmarks, tranquil pockets of greenery, mesmerizing urban art scenes, and some of the most mesmerizing vantage points in the city. Join us on this visual journey as we unveil the rich tapestry of Melbourne CBD, inviting you to explore its unique blend of history, creativity, and contemporary urban life. Number 10. Melbourne Town Hall. Melbourne Town Hall is a historic building located in the Central Business District CBD of Melbourne, Australia. Completed in 1870, it is one of the city's significant architectural landmarks. The building is currently used for cultural events, community meetings, and is also an excellent example of Victorian-era architecture. Number 9. Southbank Promenade. Southbank Promenade is a picturesque riverside area situated along the Yarra River in Melbourne, Australia. It's renowned for its stunning views of the city skyline and the scenic Yarra River. The promenade features a diverse range of dining options, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists looking for great food and a leisurely stroll by the water. Number 8. Old Melbourne Gaol. The Old Melbourne Gaol is a historic prison located in Melbourne, Australia. Built in the mid-19th century, it once housed some of Australia's most notorious criminals, including the infamous bushranger Ned Kelly. Today, it is a museum and a popular tourist attraction where visitors can explore the eerie cells, learn about the prison's history, and gain insight into Australia's convict past. Number 7. Royal Exhibition Building. The Royal Exhibition Building is a magnificent architectural gem situated in Melbourne, Australia. Completed in 1880, it is a UNESCO World Heritage listed site, celebrated for its stunning design and historical significance. The building has played a pivotal role in hosting numerous international exhibitions, conventions, and events, showcasing both Victorian and global culture and innovation. Number 6. Chinatown. Chinatown is a vibrant cultural enclave nestled within the heart of Melbourne, Australia. It is a bustling neighborhood known for its rich Asian heritage and a wide array of restaurants, shops, and cultural events. Visitors can explore authentic Chinese cuisine, shop for exotic goods, and experience the lively atmosphere of this multicultural hub. Number 5. Burke Street Mall. Burke Street Mall is a renowned shopping precinct located in Melbourne, Australia's central business district. This bustling pedestrian-only area is flanked by prominent retail stores, making it a shopper's paradise. It's a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering a diverse range of shops, boutiques, and vibrant street performers. Number 4. Royal Arcade. Royal Arcade is a historic shopping arcade situated in the heart of Melbourne, Australia. Built in 1869, it's renowned for its elegant architecture and old-world charm. Visitors can explore a variety of boutique shops, including fashion, jewelry, and specialty stores, while admiring the iconic Gaunt's clock that adorns the arcade. Number 3. Aquarium. The Melbourne Aquarium, officially known as Sea Life Melbourne, is a popular aquatic attraction located in the heart of Melbourne, Australia. It offers a captivating underwater experience, featuring a diverse range of marine life from the region and around the world. Visitors can explore underwater tunnels, view colorful coral reefs, and get up close with various sea creatures, making it an engaging and educational experience for all ages. Number 2. St. Paul's Cathedral. St. Paul's Cathedral is a stunning neo-Gothic architectural masterpiece located in the heart of Melbourne, Australia. The cathedral, completed in 1891, is known for its intricate stone carvings, towering spires, and beautiful stained glass windows. It is a place of worship, as well as a popular tourist attraction, offering visitors a serene escape in the bustling city. Number 1. Flinders Street Station. Flinders Street Station is an iconic transportation hub and historic landmark situated in the heart of Melbourne, Australia. Built in 1854, it is not only the city's busiest railway station, but also a symbol of Melbourne's architectural heritage, featuring its distinctive dome and impressive clock tower. The station's central location makes it a key meeting point and a starting point for exploring the city's many attractions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it interesting and valuable, please hit the subscribe button to follow our channel and stay updated on more engaging travel content and Melbourne discoveries. Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts by commenting below.